Alright guys, we're here over by the drain of the cabin where all the gray water goes. It's been just pouring on the ground for the last month or two, and it's time to get it in the ground. I've watched a lot of videos over the last 10 years of people doing this. It's just gray water, so it's not going to hurt anything going to the ground, but we don't want food particles and soap and all that stuff up here long term exposed to the dogs and animals and all that stuff. So just like a leach field on a regular septic tank, but a regular septic tank, you know, holds the solids, and then the water goes into the leach field and drains into the ground. So this is just going to take all the gray water, because there's no solids, and let it soak into the ground. Alright guys, this is the most out of the way. Can't drive on this, so we need to make sure that it's out of the road. Cool, we're close.
Yeah, we just need to come on the edges a little bit more.
Yep.
I feel like I'm at the beach.
Yeah. I feel like I'm working. Three. Here. Alright, there you go guys. There's the basic idea. I have to cut the bottoms so the chambers can connect to each other. And we're going to put rocks in the bottom just so the sand doesn't get compacted with like grease and stuff instantly. So we're going to put as much rock in there as we can.
I collected lots of rocks yesterday.
Yep. Like, that's why it's a dome, like it's strong. But if we put it up a little bit, then there won't be so much dirt on top of it.
Mm-hmm.
Good. You good?
Mm-hmm. You
Hold
want me
it. Just hold it there for a few minutes. Look good, guys? Now it's nice and strong and connected, and we can put her in the ground after we throw some rocks in the hole. Let's go get some rocks in the hole. We'd like to thank Element for sponsoring today's video. Element is a tasty electrolyte drink with everything you need and nothing you don't.
You guys know how hot it gets up here on the hill, so staying hydrated is super important while we're working outside in the hot sun all day long. It's high in salt, which is important when you're sweating and you're losing salt. It's got potassium and magnesium in it, so your muscles don't cramp. And my favorite part about it is that there's no sugar, there's no artificial flavoring, there's no artificial colors. I'm trying out the raspberry salt today.
So guys, I really love a lot of things about Element. They have a variety of flavors, so pick your favorite. I love the orange. Element has no sugar, no gluten. It is paleo and keto friendly, and it is vegan friendly as well. So another thing I love about Element is that it comes as a drink mix. There's 30 drinks in this little box. Having a small cabin and minimal space to store stuff, this is a couple weeks of drinks right here. So no cases of sports drinks or juices and stuff like that all laying around, all right here in this handy little package. Right now, Element is offering our viewers a free sample pack with any order. That's 8 single serving packets free with any Element order. That is a great way to try all 8 flavors or share Element with a salty friend. Get yours at drinkelement.com/jandjen. The deal is only available through our link, so check it out. You must go to drinkLMNT.com/jandjen. Thanks Element for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the project. You don't have a use for them?
I can always get more. More rocks? Is that enough?
Oh, that's good. Yeah, flip it. There you go. The other end. Go. This is gonna screw in. It's gonna dump into the tank. So I would prefer to have had like a swooping 90 rather than
A sharp 90?
Yeah, but it's just water. There's no solids. So after 10 years, it might get clogged a little bit and have to be snaked or flushed or something. But so far, so it should be good for a long time. Let's go put this in the hole. There we go. So now that won't let a bunch of dirt in, and this can't come out. So we can angle this a little bit, or we can come straight up if we want. Alright guys, now that we're doing the final line to the tank, I'm putting a P-trap with a drain in it. I had this when we did this, and I should have put this at the bottom of the shower instead of where I'm putting it, but this is going to stop the stink coming from the tank and from bugs and stuff coming up, but there's still going to be air between the kitchen sink and the shower, so hopefully that never stinks or has any problems. But I did get this in forethought. I just didn't use it yet because we weren't at this point, and I should have put one at the bottom of the shower. But anyway, so you can drain the water out of it if it gets cold. Since it's underneath the cabin, we hope to skirt the cabin, or we're going to skirt the cabin before winter, but it's still not probably going to stay above freezing under there in the middle of the winter. So I'm installing this. We're running the new line over to the new drain field. There we go.
Good job, young man.
Thanks.
You will be rewarded with street tacos for dinner. And maybe a margarita.
Yeah.
I don't think you have any tequila though, so.
There's tequila in there.
I couldn't remember.
Maybe not. All right. Hard part's done.
So we'll take 5, let everything dry, right? Bury it.
Yeah. You gotta bury the sides first, so the sides can't blow out.
Okay.
Not that it would. It's not that much weight, but.
You got an audience.
Yeah.
Hey,
buddy.
come here, Timber. Come sit over here.
Okay. I might get over here.
Jason, you're my favorite human.